go. Now you gonna get him out without taking your finger off, even though he's a little bitty one?
Yeah, I got pliers if you need them.
I got some pliers. Let's see. Huh. I caught a big one down there the other day, about the size of a dinner plate. I just let him go back down to the bottom and spit it out.
Yeah. I know there's a lot of turtles in this pond.
Oh yeah. Most of them will look at it and they'll just go on by. That one, I guess he was a little hungry.
He's good to go.
Yep.
Alright, so we're walking down this path and those police sirens. I know you guys can hear them. Anyway, it's really windy today. I'm gonna stick to a Texas rig, move a little slow today. I'm gonna target the pocket and high grass, high submerged grass, and hopes to get some keepers. And basically, I'm throwing what I'm confident in because I just wanna try out some new stuff a little bit, like some dyes, some pegging, some weights, and basically I'm done trying out new lures for now because tournaments are coming up, and the reason why I had like a new lure every video is I wanted to get used to the tournaments, find out what I like, find out what I don't like, try new tactics. Got one on the Craw Texas rig again. Very windy conditions. Targeting the high grass way over there. I hope you guys can hear me. The audio might suck and be trashy, but nice little bass. Definitely a fat one. Look at that, fat one. But got this little guy. Let's get a release. I just want to show you guys how windy it is. The white caps are kind of coming in. This is early September, so you're going to expect windy conditions. Temperature is going to be cooling down a little bit too. So, got to start throwing a little bit slower instead of your fast pace. If you have crankbaits, you can use them. I don't personally use them because I don't really have good confidence in crankbaits unless I'm deep going. But let's go ahead and get this guy on the release. Could have been more graceful. But high grass over there, just targeting it. As soon as it would hit the water, he ate it. It's harder to feel bites during the wind, especially on your more sensitive rods. So you guys want to make sure you're downsizing your line when you do that, if it's windy conditions. Either that, bulk up your baits, and make sure you can feel them. So let's keep fishing. Alright guys, hooked up on a nice bass, the dink. Tell you what, it's been like 3 hours since I had another fish. This windy condition, I've tried the legend bait spinner, I've tried a strike king spinner bait, not really getting fish at all. Switched back to a Texas rig, changed my weight, and it's not pegged, it's a lead, and not painted, but I did switch to a brush hog. So this guy is a little frisky. Back here in the pocket, caught this guy again. he's got a weird mark right here. Look at that. Looks like he got attacked. I'm gonna take the camera off the mount and get a release. Alright guys, made it back to the apartment. Basically today it was really windy, couldn't really do a lot. Flipping was probably the main thing I got with Texas rig. Wasn't really flipping, but that's just what I say when I use Texas rig. Also, this hat, look at that, Legend Baits. If you haven't checked them out, there's a discount code in the description down below for 10% off on your orders. And it's a great company, great lures. If you guys want to see more videos or order from them, I'll leave links down in the description down below. Make sure you check that out. And I got the fishing plague. I hope you guys get the fishing plague. Catch you on the next one. Tight lines.